शरफमंदें चारों को गुजारू का माँ के वादे डन्नादर का है ट्रैवल कने मारा किस दिन जिता जिताएं कंट्रीज़ जिता जिताएं मुल्क हम से कि डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ आनी मर्दुम दस्त पर और जहन किस्तें खुशादा भी बच भी माँ मुख्तलिफ़ मर्दुमानी किस्तें ट्रेडिशन मुख्तलिफ़ मर्दुमानी किस्तें कल्चर मुख्तलिफ़ मर्दुमानी एथिक्स मुख्तलिफ़ मर्दुमानी रवैया बिहेवियर आंगिंदा और वती गुमा कंपेयर करना चीज़ां मर्ची यक बालोक के मन दस्कप्तचा ऑस्ट्रेलिया सिडनी पन्नु मलेशिया मा कोलंबूरा मौजूद हम we are here in Colombo and we have ma'am what's your name? Monica, good name. What does it mean?
Nothing. I have no idea.
No idea. Where are you from?
I'm from Austria.
Australia.
Austria.
Sorry. E Austria che belong come. Why you are here? You have been for traveling?
I'm traveling here, because my daughter lives in Sydney, and therefore every Christmas time I will fly to her and the grandkids.
Okay.
And I always take another route so I can
Travel.
see
Different
towns.
Yeah.
I was in Ho Chi Minh City.
Okay.
In
What
Phuket.
are the benefits for tour to go other countries to see other cultures? What changes will come on human?
You see different people and talk with them, and all people have another opinion, and so you have a bigger mind.
Fresh mind.
Yeah.
How many countries you have been? How many countries you visited?
Oh, I can't count them.
Countless.
Countless, yes.
Yeah. Sorry, how old are you?
Oh,
Yeah.
73.
73, mashallah. Baloch, you can travel ka, you can shakir. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. I'm glad to talk to you.
Okay.
My pleasure.
Nice day too.
Okay. Subscribe my channel and see you.
Okay.
Yeah.